Tired of Airbnb? Today at UpperKey, we'll explore some top Airbnb alternatives, each offering unique features and benefits. First up, we have TripAdvisor. Known worldwide, TripAdvisor offers numerous accommodations, from vacation rentals to luxury hotels. Its user-friendly interface and abundant travel tips make it a serious competitor to Airbnb. Millions of travelers use TripAdvisor every year, and its reputation speaks for itself. Next is UpperKey, a subsidiary of TripAdvisor. Though lesser known, UpperKey is reliable and features a wide variety of elegant houses and luxury apartments. The platform provides detailed descriptions and multiple photos, ensuring you make an informed choice. The booking process is secure and offers attractive options for a flawless rental experience. Vrbo, part of the Expedia Group, is another excellent alternative. Offering diverse vacation rentals by the sea, in city centers, or in the mountains, Vrbo focuses on personalized experiences with professional photos and detailed ads. Its user-friendly features make searching and booking a breeze. Booking.com is a major rival of Airbnb, offering a variety of accommodations, including family homes and apartments. The platform's flexibility and extensive filter options make finding the perfect stay easy, with photos and reviews you can trust in a positive experience. Expedia goes beyond just accommodations, offering complete travel packages, including flights. The diversity of options, from holiday houses to apartments, and the benefits of a loyalty program make Expedia a strong competitor to Airbnb. HomeAway guarantees a unique vacation experience with a focus on transparency and quality. Detailed adverts and authentic listings make it a trustworthy option. Flexibility and diverse rental options set HomeAway apart from the competition. Flat4Day is another competitor worth considering. The platform ensures a secure and simple booking process with quality-checked accommodations. Detailed descriptions and multiple photos provide a clear picture of your stay. These alternatives provide a range of options for travelers looking for unique and reliable accommodations beyond Airbnb. For more detailed information and even more great alternatives, check out our full article below. Like and subscribe to our channel for more tips for both guests and hosts.